Don't know how to clean your membrane keyboard on your own? In this video, I will teach you on how to disassemble, clean, and assemble your own membrane keyboard. Here are some of the tools that you will need. First is any brush that you can use to clean any hard-to-reach places. Next, a screwdriver, so that you can open the case of your keyboard and open any screws in place. Here is an old membrane keyboard that is very dusty and needs thorough cleaning. As you can see in the back are the screws that need to be removed so we can open the case. In removing the screws at the back, you must always remember to keep them in one place and keep them organized so that you know where to place them back. Try to remove the keycaps one by one without forcing them, and I suggest you use a keycap puller. They come in different types so that it makes pulling the keycaps easier. Remember to not forcefully pry any stubborn keycaps so that you avoid damaging the keyboard permanently. Make sure you do not lose any of the keys. Make sure they are not incomplete. Move the stabilizers one by one without forcing them too much, as to avoid breaking them apart and by two, especially with the case of the spacebar. In cleaning the interior of the keyboard, you have to be careful with the mat inside. As you can see, the keyboard is very dirty, but we will clean the inside first. Remember to clean all the rubber inside and then place them back after cleaning them. Thoroughly brush the case of the keyboard to remove all of the dirt built up inside. To get every nooks and crannies. Once you're done, make sure that everything is in place and carefully put back the case where they belong. That all the holes are aligned so that you can place the screws back. Once you have placed all of the screws back to where they belong, now clean the exterior part of the keyboard. Clean the exterior of the keyboard case with the brush and tissue as to remove all of the built up dirt and all of the grease inside. To also clean the stabilizers and then reattach them to the keyboard. Everything is back in place. The next thing that you need to do is to put back keycaps. Sure that you have a reference. It may be from the internet, or you can take a picture of your keyboard before pulling all of the keycaps. Step is to make sure that everything is wiped clean, and I suggest you use a cloth to clean the cover and the keycaps fine. You have a very clean keyboard inside and out. The last step is to make sure that everything is still working by pressing all of the lock buttons that makes the light in the keyboard turn on. Make sure that the keyboard is attached to your computer and check all of the keys. Now you know how to disassemble, clean, and assemble a membrane keyboard. For watching.